Hello, my name is Jason, and today we're going to take a look at the column chart view in SharpCloud. Now, this view is very similar to a bar chart that you might see elsewhere, but given the dynamic nature of SharpCloud, it actually has a couple unique features. One of which is we're actually able to interact with this chart. What I mean by that is if I were to actually click into an item like this hybrid wing body, I can actually open that item up and start to learn more details about it through the panels that we see here. When it comes to customizing the chart, we have a few different options. One of which is from our view setup, we can start to change the sort direction, or maybe if I wanted to see our most costly investments on the left-hand side and see it coming down, we could do that. The other thing that we're able to do is actually start to add multiple values to this chart. So right now we can see our investment. Well, what if we wanted to see the estimated revenue associated with the item post that investment? We can simply add another value and choose the numeric field for estimated revenue, and we can start to see that come through. And of course, these colors are customizable, so we can start to change them to represent any colors that we should choose. So now we can start to see both those values and the legend right on this chart. Right now, we're looking at this as an item by item, but we can actually start to group them by common attributes. So what do I mean by that? If I come back into our view setup here and select group chart, now what I have the ability to do is maybe say, well, let's group these by a different list attribute, such as our technology readiness level potentially. So now what we can start to see, if I close this, is again, we're still seeing those two values that we chose to see. And we can start to see everything grouped by their TRL levels. So if I wanted to see maybe the estimated revenue based on our system prototype status, I can simply click here and we'll notice that now we'll see that estimated revenue totaled here with these two items. And again, if I wanted to see just the investment, I could click on that and we see that shift. So these charts become very interactive as we start to build them out. Additionally, these charts will also react to filters. So should we want to add a filter to this, so maybe if I come to our view setup, come to filters, and come to configure labels, I can maybe add a filter into here. And should I come in and look at maybe availability, I can add that filter. And just as we would with any other view, as I look to filter, we will see that the items that we're totaling here and showing on this column chart will have shifted with the filter. That's everything that we're going to cover when it comes to column charts in SharpCloud today. Should you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to a member of the SharpCloud team. Thank you.